Okay, so you guys have to see the our email submission is live now. Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we can create where we have to publish emails. Basically, this website can publishing having a many options. So you guys can create backlink kind of, you guys can list a businesses. You guys can publish an article, but basically mainly we are creating we are publishing a one image or article. Sorry, image or infographic kind of content. So okay, so the website name is cgmimm.com. You guys have to see this website having a 64 domain rating. So this is a great for us. So now we can going to check website overall traffic and the geographic kind of things. So this website having a 24.5k total visitors, and you guys can see this website having a traffic from Philippines, Bangladesh, USA, India, and Indonesia. So if you guys can want to attract an audience from that kind of countries, so this is a great potential. So you guys have to publish your content on that website. The website name is cgmimm.com. Okay, so I hope we are researched our research process. We have completed our research process. Now we have to move forward for the login and the sign up process. So you guys can simply logged in on that website there on a sign up process is a very simple. So you guys can simply sign up these things, and then you guys have to complete your profile information. There is an option to you guys can complete your profile details, and after that you guys can see that interface. Okay, uh, that interface. Okay, and there is an option so you guys can publish an article, photo. Okay, and event you guys can want to publish also, there is an option, and kind of a classified you guys can publish. Okay, and videos also. So this is providing a many options. You can create a backlink rapidly. So we can use now today we can explore the photo section, image. So there is an option to, I have already published two images, so I can show you. This website can also providing a do follow backlink. Okay, uh, sorry, view photo. Okay, so you guys can see we have published the image, and where we haven't insert back any link, so I cannot show you right now, but now we can going to publish now. So you guys have to click for the new photos button, and there is an option to you guys have to click publish button, yes, and you can choose your album name. For the album name we can going to add a title, and the smart tag you guys have to add your targeted keyword. Okay, then you guys have to add your content, image content. So we have added them. We can going to modify now something, and now where so there is a no option to we can insert a link, but I just remember for the some other website they having a same interface. So that's why I have asked for, sorry for that things. And you guys have to click for the add and save and add photos, and then you guys have to see so your images have been lived now, and I can going to check. Yeah, we have lived, I guess. There is no image, so we can going to add also. Again you guys can check if your image is inserted or not, then you guys have to click to confirm image upload, and now we can refresh again, then we'll see if our images is, yeah. So you guys have to see our images is live now, then you guys have to click for the view button. Okay, so you guys have to see the our image submission is live now. So probably this website can not providing any kind of internal linking backlink process, backlink facility. So we can going to use that kind of images, so that images can going to help us, because we are mentioned a brand email, brand name, or website address, and the email addresses and the contact addresses. Okay, so these things we are following for the image submission. These things can help us for the brand awareness and the conversion rate kind of things. Okay, So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. Or if you guys can want to connect with me over social media, any other things, so you guys can connect with me. And if you guys are having any personal doubt, any other things, so you can ask me. I can like to help you guys. Okay. And for the last thing, I wanted to request with you guys one thing. If you guys are new on my channel and if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please hit the subscribe button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you guys. Okay. So I hope you guys are doing well. And okay, so now we can going to stop this video. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.